how to create card website with multiple pages. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to card.co's website and log in using user credentials. After you log in, you'll have to navigate to the website editing section, and in this section, you will see these tools at the top and your page. Now, as you can see, there is no page break between all these sections. So we'll click on this plus icon at the top right, that is add an element button. Now you will see a list of options. From these, you'll have to click on this hashtag control button at the bottom right. Now, when you click on this is going to divide your page into sections. So this just placed a page break between these two. This is section 1. You can rename this section anything you want. For example, I'm naming this page 1. You can also add a title, it is optional. You can choose whether you want to hide the header, footer, disable auto scroll, exclude section, or redirect on an open. Now, after doing all these settings, click on the done icon. And after doing this, whenever I'm going to click on this plus icon and choose any element for another one of my page, it is automatically going to be placed below this section, that is onto another page. Now if you want to add another element, click on the plus icon, choose that element, click on done. So you can add as much elements you want on another page and click on done. Now if you would want another page to be added, the process is same. Click on this plus icon, then choose control and choose section break in this type and click on done. And after doing this, you'll have to click on the save button at the top right, that is publish this site button, choose an action for this site, type in a title, description, and click on publish changes. And after you do this, you would have successfully created a card website with multiple pages. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.